Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulbs actually, in a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010. So obviously set it to off, and with a prying tool from the front of it, just lightly start moving everything, and now we have access to the light bulbs. And this one, you just pull on this and it will basically fall off, and these ones you need to squeeze them and pull them out. If I could actually do it just to show you, because as you could see mine are in working order. Quite hard, so you just wiggle it and get it out. Be back in a second. So it's this type of bulb right here, and to replace it you just put it back in there. Really freaking hard for me to film at the same time and try to get this in its location, but yeah, managed to do it. So again, for this one you just yank on this and it falls out, and to put it back you just press it in place. Again, more difficult to do than you would expect when you have one hand on your phone. And that's about it. And if you want to take this whole light fixture out, there's a screw there and there's another one in there. Opened the door to make sure everything is working, because the lights timed out. Now we put this protection lens in here, slowly push on both sides, and it's locked in place. Great. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.